Hey guys, we are on our way to the Dubai Expo. I've got Adnan with me. Say hello.
Hello.
And what are you looking forward to?
I don't know. We're just gonna go and see what the world is thinking for the future. Obviously, this is the biggest expo, and yeah, we'll see and how it goes. Maybe we'll find something, some new opportunity, some new business ideas, and yeah, that's it.
And I've got Amir, who is a businessman here in Dubai. Okay, share your thoughts. What are you looking forward to?
Hi people, basically we are going to, especially me, for the Pakistani pavilion. I saw some videos, is absolutely is amazing over there. So we will see our culture and our products over there, and we'll find new opportunities. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Amir, he's
Hello.
my colleague.
Hi.
What are you looking forward to here?
I'm not looking forward to anything special. I am just going there to see what ideas they are bringing in, and it is all about meet and explore the people. So I am expecting something good, something new. Cheers.
Cheers, Amir. So let's go and explore this big Dubai Expo. Now we have got the tickets. It's 95 dirham for one person. You need to have a PCR test, negative PCR test, or vaccination certificate for the entry. Okay, we are here at the Pakistan Pavilion. Let's go inside and explore what our beautiful Pakistan has got inside their pavilion. Look at this design. It's just amazing. Okay, let's go inside now. Adnan, my friend. Adnan, come. Adnan and Amir. So, how do you feel here at the Pakistan Pavilion? It's our yes, beautiful pavilion.
Stands out a lot from
The
the
world.
pavilion. I think it stands out a lot from the other ones, and I can see there are more people than the other one, which is really good. So now we're gonna go inside and see what special they have.
Yeah.
From outside, it's amazing.
Amir
Let's
Saab.
taste from inside.
Yes,
Thank you,
as
Adnan.
expected, as earlier I said, it is amazing. It's a beautiful structure and amazing design. Let's go inside and have a look.
And now we've got our friend Amir.
Hello, hi. I am just excited to see Pakistan Pavilion. So I can't wait to go inside. So let's go inside.
So, are you satisfied with the structure?
Yeah, I really like the design. It is a different, vibrant, colorful. So let's go.
Okay, let's go. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, I'm Dmitry Rosin from Germany, but born Russian, and I find fascinating the Pakistan Pavilion. I really like your eye catcher with the floating stones. The pink salt news for me were amazing, and now I was also informed about minerals. Thank you so much, and I wish you a lot of success.
What was the most appealing thing for you in the
For me,
Pakistani Pavilion?
from technical view, it's the floating stones. I was not able to see the threads, so for me it was pure magic.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, now we are done with our trip to the Pakistan Pavilion. Your thoughts?
I think the building is quite impressive from outside. It looks amazing. It really catches the eyes. It gives you sudden attention straight away.
Basically, we have to understand the concept first. So, which things they are going to promote and which things they are going to focus on it. So, especially Balochistan, they tried to focus on it, especially Balochistan and northern areas for the tourism purpose.
Okay.
It is a good effort because this is still a window to world, and at least we are making an effort to promote our culture, to promote our tourism, and hopefully inshallah one day we will have a much better presentation.